After a 50-year run, Torrey Pines High School is getting a brand new scoreboard to kick off this year's fall season sports. Joe Austin, director of the foundation, gives his input on the impact the new scoreboard will have on Ed Burke's field and the community.
I think I really want people to understand is that this thing is completely being run by student interns, many of which are alumni of Falcon Vision, have learned their video production skills here at Torrey Pines, and what a unique opportunity for them to apply those skills in a real work-based learning experience. Content on the new video board is going to be a broad range, right? We are creating some of the same stuff you might expect to see at Snapdragon Stadium or at Petco Park. So we'll have some of that typical fan engagement stuff, but we'll also have field cameras. We eventually want to have hype videos. Those are already in production. We've done media days for 3 of the fall sports that'll be competing on that field. So there's a lot of content being created, and I don't think there's any limit to what we can do.
Head football coach Scott Ashby gives his sideline perspective on what the scoreboard will add to the sports games.
I think the fan experience for whatever sport it is going to be a one-of-a-kind experience in high school. There's a great fan base and everybody's into it. It helps people play better. You know, they find the energy and they're able to feed off it.
The scoreboard would not be possible without the student leaders who run it, such as Kyle Busby.
I think Torrey Pines will really benefit from having a jumbotron because it really just ups our game as a whole, whether it be sports, pep rallies, or different student body events in the stadium. It really adds a professional element to our stadium, and it takes the arts and with Falcon Vision and the different students that want to create pieces and edits, and we can show that up on the jumbotron in front of a large student body. Students are doing everything on the jumbotron, from the editing to the graphics to the live show, the camera work, of course coordination with ASB, dance team, the actual teams. It's 100% student-led. That fan engagement to the stadium, I think it really puts us to the next level and reestablishes that we're one of the top high schools.
The foundation and the student scoreboard team are working hard to prepare content and set up the scoreboard. So make sure to attend all the games this season to see their work in action. This has been Bailey Daughters, Daniel Mackay, and Riley Blaze signing off for Falcon Vision.